The idea for this bike was to take the Softail platform that we just reinvented last year and push the envelope with a drag-inspired long, lean power cruiser.
We wanted a nod to our drag racing performance success, but there's a radical little surprise that you instantly experience when you throw this thing into a corner, and that it handles.
It's got exceptional lean angle and the 19-inch front tire, so that reduces the effort that you require to steer the bike. And the combination of the rake and the trail and how we've tuned the tires to work with the chassis and the suspension, it handles exceptionally well.
Some of the design details on the FXDR 114 that I'm pretty stoked about, and were the most fun to actually to design. Of course, the intake looks like it came off a pro stock drag racing car. You can say the same thing about the exhaust. We've never designed an exhaust system that looks even remotely like this. It looks completely at home sitting on the MILWAUKEE-EIGHT powertrain.
So we tuned that intake, both the volume and how the air flows through it. Everything about this bike speaks to performance. We made no compromises. This bike is all about performance, and it's getting a 114. I'd say the biggest thing you're going to feel, seat of the pants acceleration when you roll onto that throttle. It just pulls away from anything that we've made in the past.
We had a chance to actually take the swing arm and play it up as a design element that integrates this massive rear tire. We spent a lot of time sculpting the shape of the swing arm to make sure that not only were we achieving something that was visually beautiful, but actually functioned flawlessly as well.
The FXDR 114 has inverted front forks with cartridge damping to give you that connected, planted feel without sacrificing comfort.
The main customer who we actually focused the motorcycle on was the person who wants performance, puts performance ahead of just about anything else.
This bike makes a statement and backs it up when you get on it and ride it.